Local stories nobody talks about are changing entire communities nationwide. While mainstream media overlooks your backyard, there's a platform dedicated to uncovering the cultural treasures and emerging voices that define who we really are. Neh TV has spent years building something different. We showcase local festivals that preserve generations of tradition, discover artists before they hit the big stage, and tell the stories that bind communities together. From documentary series highlighting cultural celebrations to community-driven projects that create real social change, we've become the reliable source for authentic storytelling. Every video we produce serves a purpose, preserving cultural heritage for future generations and giving emerging talents the platform they deserve. Because when local stories get the spotlight they deserve, entire communities transform. That's the power of authentic storytelling, and that's what Neh TV delivers every single day.